Another notch of flippage, flappage, notch of flappage. That's it. Yeah, welcome aboard, everybody. Thanks for joining me. I didn't catch the all the pre-flight and takeoff and all that just because I wanted to have battery power for the rest of the flight. Batteries tend to die quickly. But anyways, we're just up here today for some altitude therapy. It's a nice day, relatively calm and smooth. For the most part, hands-off flying. As I say that, we get a little bit of a ooh, but yeah, beautiful day up here. No real objective, just like I said, some altitude therapy up here, cruise around, just check out this beautiful day. It's good to run the engine or run the aircraft. The worst thing for an aircraft is to let it sit. So, and I guess the worst for a pilot is to not fly, because that rust, like I said before, accumulates real quickly. So figure I'd take advantage of this nice day, come up and exercise us both. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Nashboro traffic, 594 Papa Foxtrot, over the field 2,500. Going to maneuver to join the left downwind entry for 21 Nashboro.
Permanent traffic, Diamond 662 Lima, left downwind, runway 5, Lumberton. Tower 43 Golf on the upwind, 13, stay in the pattern, Charlie.
Hanson County, helicopter 436, Charlie Mike is 1,500 feet, 5 to the west, inbound for landing, lining up for a right base, runway 34, Hanson County.
Alright, RP comes out.
Traffic, Skygate 20 Juliet Alpha, about 12.5 miles. Landing, 14.5 miles northeast of the airfield at 2,800, climbing 3,000.
Ashboro traffic, 594 Papa Foxtrot, joining the left downwind on midfield for runway 21 Ashboro.
Davidson traffic, clear track 410, turning left base, runway 24, full stop, Davidson. Shelby traffic, track 778 Alpha 11, the 3000 eastbound, last call, Shelby.
Alright, let's get her slowed down. Or a beam. Come out with some flappage. 10 degrees of flappage.
Davidson traffic, clear track 410, turn final, runway 24, full stop, Davidson.
Alright, landing lights, seat belts, fuel, gears down and welded, cars windows closed.
Charlie Mike, we are
Seat belts, if I didn't already say it.
Right base runway 16.
Ashboro traffic, 594 Papa Foxtrot, turn left base, runway 21, Ashboro.
Final runway 5, 1%. Traffic, track 4 takeoff, left base 130. That won't be a factor for you guys.
Already coming on final.
Going around runway 24, left close traffic, Davidson.
Ashboro traffic, 594 Papa Foxtrot, turn final, runway 21, Ashboro.
Let's go traffic, 97016 Victor, parking line runway 34, right now.
Traffic, clear track 410. We're going to depart the area to the southwest. Final call, Davidson.
Drop some altitude, we're a little high.
Sampson traffic, Diamond 945 Lima, 11 miles to the south, entering a right teardrop with a left downwind for 6, Clinton Sampson.
Side slip a little bit to get us down. There we go. Bouncy. Runway's made, power can come out. Oh, that was almost beautimous. Alright, carb heat up. That heater's got me needing some air. Alright, we'll go do one more and complete this currency. Ashboro traffic, 594 Papa Foxtrot's taking off, runway 21, left close traffic, Ashboro. Alrighty then. Got a bird down at the end of the runway.
43 Golf, are you going to keep using 13% low? Alright, we'll just pass.
Alright. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. To the floor. Alright, we're making good RPM. T's and P's are in the green. Airspeed's coming alive. There's 60. Nose it up. And we're in the air. I can't see that bird. Where'd he go? Right there off the end of the runway. Where's he at?
Let's go, Charlie.
Traffic 1184, Charlie, localizer approach over
Runway 5, Lumberton.
Another notch of flippage. Flap of knoppage. Notch of flappage. That's it.
Traffic landing at Henderson, are you doing runway 6 or 24?
runway 6 and circle to land, runway 24.
Ashboro traffic, 594 Papa Foxtrot's turning final, runway 21, full stop, Ashboro. Yeehaw.
Lumberton traffic.
Birds.
To Lima, left downwind runway.
I just keep hitting these thermals. Alright, carb heat is out. Let's drop another notch of flaps so I can get down quickly. Alright, runway is made, power can come out. A little harder than the last one, but not too bad. Flaps up. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that as much as I did. And as usual, if I make this into a video, I hope you enjoy. So, till next time, y'all fly good. All right, secure the aircraft. Avionics off.